Hindi alam ng iba, but we dated way back 2017. Tama ba ako, Jordan? Naalala mo ba yun?
That was way back,
Yeah,
2017. Okay.
And then,
7 years.
7 years later,
Solid.
ayun.
Ayun.
Natuloy na. Natuloy na. Kasi kulit siya ng kulit. Message siya ng message sa akin. Kasi
Okay.
sabi niya nga, he was wondering, sabi niya, bakit hindi ko ba nakikita si Jen? O ako naka-target, no? Bakit di niya daw ako nakikita? Sabi ko, and then, nung last year, yung friend niya, friend ko na volleyball player from LaSalle, doon kami nag-meet.
Shout out to Dallas.
Dallas.
Okay,
Yeah.
okay.
And then, ayun, after that, he would message me, invite me to dinner, but then ayoko nakikipag-date.
Bakit?
I don't want people to assume na may kadate ako, ganyan.
Okay.
Kasi I just want a
She's saying I
private...
had to work for it, and I worked for it.
Okay.
Yeah, and then sabi ko, pumunta ang Caldi kasi I have a coffee shop. And then, it's a group setting, ando yung mga friends ko.
Okay,
Nagulat siya,
okay.
akala niya ako lang
It's the
mag-isa.
warm-up lang.
Yeah, and then, kasi sabi niya, haalis na ako, punta na ako ng US.
Aba?
Baka naman pwede kita makita.
May ganun pa. Okay.
Tapos sabi ko, sige na nga, kita tayo.
Yung pala yun. So natakot ka kasi aalis na.
Oo, sabi ko, sige na,
Aba,
bigyan natin
yung
ng
pala
try.
yun, ha?